Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Stockton DashCam channel. As usual, we prepared another great episode full of all sorts of crazy moments Stockton Drivers DashCam. Let's not waste our time any further and dive straight into today's episode. One truck driver could not wait and he pulled out onto the road and caused an accident.
Damn it!
Semi-truck driver was dangerously speeding on the road, but that's not all. On top of driving like a madman, he caused a close call as well. Van driver that was behind the camera did not pay attention at the road ahead, and we all know that not paying attention at the road can lead to a lot of trouble.
To a constant speed, constant distance.
Connecting to the emergency call center.
He just hit somebody.
When road rage goes horribly wrong, it may look something like this. One driver wanted to force his way in front of another one, and instead of that, it came to a crash.
with you.
Cammer caught some red light runners on his dashcam. It's exactly these kind of drivers that can cause a lot of trouble. The police was being called over to solve a certain issue, and this is how it looks like when they are on the move.
Oh, I don't know what happened. Man, wow.
What the f? Oh, hell no! You better get the f over!
I have a dash cam!
Get the f on that kid's on the car!
I have a
Take
dash
them to
cam!
life like that again!
I have a dash cam!
I see
I
she
have a
almost hit
dash
us.
cam!
She
I have a dash
I have
cam!
my two
She
daughters in the
almost
car.
hit us! You almost hit me! I have a dash cam! I have a dash cam! You didn't have your turn signal on! I have a dash cam, you stupid mother!
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Stockton DashCam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.